Hello student, we will see section 4, 4.3, A Midsummer Night's Dream. William Shakespeare, there has never been as great a name in English literature as that of William Shakespeare, in bracket 26 April 1564 to 23 April 1616, 52 years. Shakespeare, a playwright, poet and actor, his name Bard of Avon, considered as England's national poet, contributed 38 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 epic poems in short span of 25 years. His plays are categorized into first histories, second comedies, and third tragedies. His great comedies: Merry Wives of Windsor, Merchant of Venice, Comedy of Errors, Much Ado About Nothing, Midsummer Night's Dream, As You Like It. It should be read as a group because of their short them. A Midsummer Night's Dream was written around 1595 as an entertainer at the marriage of some great nobleman and was later performed in a public theatre. It embodies the Elizabethan era, which believed in witches and spirits, an inevitable part of this drama. These elements and dramatic material are used here along with song, dances, clever ideas, mistaken identities, etc. The play forces the reader to land into the beautiful land of imagination where all adventures seem possible in its fictitious fairy world. By the end of the play, Shakespeare makes us think about the way human beings think, act, and love, once again underlining his deeper awareness of human nature. In this paragraph, A Midsummer Night's Dream is a comedy written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is a world famous playwright, poet, and actor. His nickname Bard of Avon. His plays are categorized into history, comedies, and tragedies. His comedies: Merry Wives of Windsor, Merchant of Venice, Comedy of Errors, Much Ado About Nothing, Midsummer Night's Dream, As You Like It. A Midsummer Night's Dream was written around 1595 as an entertainment in Elizabethan period. All the people were believed in witches, spirit, and magic. These elements and dramatic material are used here with song, dance, ideas, mistaken identities, etc. We can imagine it of it. Shakespeare expressed his own ideas and thoughts about love, act, and magic. Shakespeare understood human nature very well. We will see next point: theme. The dominant theme in Midsummer Night's Dream is love. Shakespeare tries to portray how people tend to fall in love with those who appear beautiful to them, though attraction towards beauty might appear to be love, but real love is much more than mere physical attraction. In this paragraph, Shakespeare says that how people fall in love with those who appear beautiful to them. He says that what is true love? True love means real love. Real love is greater than physical attraction. We will see next paragraph. Plot of the play. In the palace, Theseus wins Hippolyta in war. They are to be married with great pomp in 4 days' time. He instructs Philostrate to arrange for the celebrations with great revelry. Aegeus marches with Hermia, Lysander, Demetrius to complain that Hermia disobeys him and stubbornly refuses to marry Demetrius and is in love with Lysander. The Duke Theseus urges her to obey her father, but she refuses him. The Duke gives her three alternatives to marry Demetrius or become a nun or to suffer a death sentence. The Duke of Athens, Theseus, gives her time to think this over until the day of his own marriage. Lysander and Hermia decide to elope to the woods and get married. Demetrius, who used to love Helena in bracket Hermia's friends, has rejected her love and is now interested in Hermia. Hermia reveals her secret plan to her dear friend Helena in order to comfort her. Hermia has made a last ditch attempt to win back the love of Demetrius for Helena, who reveals to Demetrius and Hermia plans an elopement with Lysander to the woods. Demetrius decides to follow Hermia and Helena decides to follow Demetrius. In this paragraph, Theseus wins Hippolyta in war. Duke of Athens means King of Athens. Theseus getting married to Hippolyta. Preparations going on. A courtier named Eugeius comes with personal problem. Eugeius wants to get his daughter Hermia married to Demetrius, but Hermia loves Lysander. Helena, a friend of Hermia, and she loves Demetrius, but Demetrius loves Hermia. Duke means Theseus announces that Hermia has to get married to a person whom her father wishes, else she has to become a nun and spend her rest of life without any luxurious, because Athens had ruled that girls have to get married as per their father wish, else severe punishment like death penalty or lives a nun's life for the rest of their life. Hermia and Lysander decide to elope to any other place where such rules is not there for getting married. Lysander decides to go to the aunt's place with Hermia, but before run away, Hermia told her friends about her plan. Helena told this to her lover in order to him to marry, but Demetrius followed Hermia, thinking that one day he will be able to convince Hermia to get married to him. Helena then follows Demetrius. When Hermia by Lysander were running away, they got lost in a forest. Next paragraph. Queen's cottage. A group of workmen from Athens wish to perform a play at the Duke's wedding. Queen's is in charge of the direction, production, and rehearsal of that play. Bottom, one of the over enthusiastic, talkative, self appointed, active worker from the group wants to play every role of the play. Paramus and Thisbe. They all plan to meet in the woods for the rehearsal. In this paragraph, group of workmen from Athens wish to perform a play at the Duke's wedding. Bottom, one of the over enthusiastic, talkative, and active workers from the group wants to play every role of the play. Name of the play Paramus and Thisbe. They all plan to meet in the woods for the rehearsal. Next paragraph. In the woods, a different word unfolds in the woods. The king of fairies, Oberon, and queen of fairies, Titania, are having a fight over the custody of an Indian boy as to who shall own him in order to teach a lesson to Titania. Oberon hatches a plan with the help of Puck. Oberon orders Puck to bring the magic potion Love in Idleness. Magic potion means magic water. The juice of which, if poured on the eyelids of a sleeping person, make him or her falls madly in love with the first person she sees after waking up. He thus plans to modern Titania and get the custody of the Indian boy. Now you can very well imagine who tricks Puck. A mischievous spirit is going to play with this magic potion in the forest. As Demetrius enters the wood, followed by Helena, Oberon notices his cold behavior with Helena and decides to develop feelings for her in the heart of Demetrius and orders Puck to apply the juice on his eyelid and marches into another part of the wood and applies the love potions on eyelid of his sleeping wife. Soon arrive the eloping couples, tired they too sleep in the same wood. Taking Lysander for Demetrius, Puck squeezes the juice on his eyelid. Helena, who entered the wood following Demetrius, proves to be the first person Lysander see after waking up and fall in love with her instantly. Puck, who is appalled by the awful acting and bottoms, bewitches by transforming his head into that of an ash. Titania sees as headed bottom, and one can guess the result. In this paragraph, Oberon is the king of fairies and Titania is the queen of fairies. One day they had quarreled for a magical boy, but Titania did not wish to give him that magical boy, so King thinks of taking revenge by insulting Queen Titania. He called his servant Puck and he ordered Puck to bring the magic potion. Magic potion means magic water. Love in idleness, the juice of which if poured on the eyelid of sleeping person makes him or her falls madly in love with the first person he or she sees after waking up. He asks him to put some juice on the eyes of Demetrius so that he starts loving Helena. Puck by mistake applied magic potion on eyes of Lysander. When Lysander woke up and saw Helena, and so Lysander falls in love with Helena. Now we will see next point tomorrow.